Good day, everyone. Today I stand in front of you to deliver my speech. Today, I ask you to pause and think about this. How many friendships have been broken because of land dispute? How many families stopped talking because of argument over boundaries? How many years have been wasted fighting instead of fighting peace? Land conflicts are not just about land. They are about people, about family, and about our community. Too often, when this problem arises, the first solution people think of is court. They think, let's bring it to the judge, let's fight it out. But I ask you, has the court truly brought peace to our community? So let's be honest. Court battles take years, they drain money, they drain energy, and worst of all, they drain relationship. By the time the decision is made, family are no longer talking. Neighborhoods have become enemies, and the whole barangay feels weight of the division. Because of land dispute, don't just affect the people involved. They affect all of us. They plant anger, they grow, spread, and breaks our unity. And what do we get to the end? A decision that forces one side to follow. One winner, one loser. But no peace. There is a bit better way. The mediation. Mediation is not about fighting. It's about talking. It's not about winning. It's about understanding. It's not about revenge. It's about resolution. In mediation, we sit down, we listen, we look for a fair solution that both sides can agree on. No lawyer, no courtroom, no expensive fees. Just people working things like neighbors should. And when people agree together, willingly, they're more likely to follow the solution. More likely to respect each other, more likely to move on together. Studies show that mediation leads to longer lasting peace than court decision. Because it doesn't just solve the issue, it heals the relationship. It reminds us we are not enemies, we are part of the same barangay. And the barangay is more than the land, it is the community. Friend, when we choose mediation, instead of destroying them, I know some may say, but court is the law. Yes, the law matters, but so does harmony. So does harmony. So does respect. Mediation does not ignore the law. It strengthens it. By creating solutions, people are willing to follow, not forced to obey. So today, I ask you, let's not allow the land to divide our hearts. Let's not let borders build barriers. Let's choose dialogue over dispute, conversation over confrontation. Let's make our barangay a model of peace, where problems are solved by neighborhoods sitting down together, not by standing against each other in the party. Let us be the barangay that choose mediation, not because it's easier, but because wiser, not because it's faster, but because it's kinder. Not because we want to avoid problems, but because we want to solve them together. So thank you, and may our barangay always use peace and unity and understanding over conflict. Good day, everyone.